Hello everyone and welcome to Tally Technology videos. In many cases, while working with tables and fields in Tally Prime, you may notice that long text values shrink or become difficult to read. This not only affects clarity, but also impacts the overall user experience. To address this, Tally Prime Release 7.1 introduces a new feature called Auto Wrap Text along with new attributes that helps you to control how text is displayed, making it more readable and structured. In this video, we'll explore how you can use these newly introduced attributes at both collection and field levels to improve text visibility and layout. Before we look at the attributes, let's first understand Auto Wrap Text. Auto Wrap Text is a configuration setting available in F1 Help that enables automatic wrapping of text across tables and fields. Once this is enabled, the word wrap attributes defined in TDL start taking effect. Let's start with a common problem. Long text in tables doesn't always display completely, making it hard to read. That's where word wrap comes in. This new attribute, introduced at the collection level, allows text in the first column of a table to automatically wrap within the available space, making your data instantly more readable. Just remember, it works only for the first column and only when Auto Wrap Text is enabled in the F1 Help configuration. Also, it does not apply to items behaving as action, on the fly, external actions, or labels. Now, let's take a quick look at the syntax. And here's how it looks in action. Notice how long text now fits neatly within the column instead of getting truncated. Now, what if you want control over how much text is shown? That's where Max Lines helps. This attribute lets you define how many lines the wrapped text can occupy in the first column. So instead of unlimited wrapping, you can keep your tables clean and structured. Ensure word wrap is enabled and auto wrap text is turned on. The syntax is shown on your screen. You can see the working of the attribute displayed on your screen. By setting a limit, you strike the right balance between readability and layout consistency. Now, let's take this a step further. What if you want the same behavior inside fields? At the field level, the word wrap attribute allows string values to wrap automatically within the field. And once enabled, input text scroll is applied by default, so users can still navigate longer content easily. This works only when Auto Wrap Text is enabled and applies to simple display fields. Let's take a quick look at the syntax. Now comes the real control. You can decide how much text is visible separately for display and edit modes. For edit mode, use Max Edit Lines. This controls how many lines are available while editing the field with a default value of 3. The syntax for the same is displayed on your screen. For display mode, use Max Display Lines. This defines how many lines are shown when the field is displayed or printed. The syntax for the same is displayed on your screen. And here's how it looks in action. Together, these give you precise control over both viewing and editing experiences. Try these attributes in your customizations to create cleaner, more readable, and user-friendly interfaces in Tally Prime.